Hello again, my friends. Today we are going to be reading a story about dolphins, National Geographic Readers' Dolphins, written by Melissa Stewart. Though smart enough to become theme park tricksters, dolphins are first and foremost wild animals. So here we have a table of contents. That tells us exactly what we're going to read about in this book. It is a dolphin. Fish or mammal? A dolphin's life? Under the sea? Where do dolphins live? What's the difference? Super dolphins? Goofing off? Dolphins and humans? And the book will end with a picture glossary. Does anyone know what these numbers here next to each section in the table of contents are for? What do these numbers tell you? It's a dolphin. What swims in the water but isn't a fish? What whistles and chirps but isn't a bird? What loves to jump but isn't a frog? It's a dolphin. Fish or mammal? A dolphin is a mammal just like you. Dolphins have lungs and breathe air. They get oxygen through a hole on the top of their heads, right here. Their tails move up and down. They have soft, smooth skin. A dolphin's body temperature is always about 97 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very close to what our temperatures as humans are in our bodies. Our normal temperature is 98.6 degrees, which is very close to 97 degrees. Dolphins look like fish, but they are different in some very important ways. Fish have scales. Fish have gills. Gills help fish get oxygen from the water. And fish's tails bend from side to side. A fish's body temperature matches the temperature of the water that it's in. So if the water is very cold and is about 20 degrees, then the fish's body temperature is going to match that, and it's also going to be about 20 degrees. Water words: oxygen, an invisible gas in air and water that animals breathe in. Humans also breathe in oxygen. Mammal, a warm-blooded animal that drinks milk from its mother and has a backbone and hair. A dolphin's life. A baby dolphin is called a calf. A baby dolphin has a small mouth. The calf smacks food against the water to break it into bite-sized bits. A calf can swim as soon as it's born. It drinks milk from its mother's body. When the little dolphin is about 6 months old, it starts to eat fish. Water words: calf. What is a calf again? A young dolphin. What do dolphins have that no other sea animals have? What do dolphins have that no other sea animals have? The answer is baby dolphins. Dolphins live in small groups called pods. Some pods join together to form schools. A dolphin school may have more than 1,000 animals. Dolphins use squeaks, squeals, and whistles to talk to each other. Some dolphins in a pod are in charge of watching for sharks and other predators. Every dolphin has its own name. Each name is a series of whistling sounds. Water word: predator. What's a predator, friends? Animals that eat other animals. And here is a picture of a dolphin pod. Dolphins work together to catch prey. Dolphin pods will swim circles around a school of fish until the fish are tightly packed together. This big group of fish is called bait ball. When the fish have nowhere to escape, the dolphin takes turns diving in for snacks. Under the sea. A dolphin's body is just right for life underwater. Flippers help a dolphin start, stop, and turn. The fin on the dolphin's back helps it stay balanced. Its powerful tail pushes it through the water. When a dolphin swims slowly, it rises to the surface and breathes once or twice a minute. When a dolphin swims fast, it leaps out of the water to catch its breath. Oops, sorry, friends. When a dolphin breathes out, air blasts out of its blowhole at 100 miles per hour. Question. Why did the dolphin cross the ocean? Answer. Why did the dolphin cross the ocean? To get to the other side. Dolphins have great eyesight, but the ocean can be very dark. It's hard for dolphins to see little fish they like to eat on the ocean floor. If a dolphin is hunting alone, it will put its head to the ground and make a clicking noise. The noise hits anything in the dolphin's path and bounces back. A dolphin can find a fish by seeing it with sound. This dolphin is using echolocation. You say it like this, echolocation. Let's try that, friends. Let's tap it out. Ready? Echolocation. One more time. Echolocation. Dolphins actually use echoes to locate the fish they can't see. Echolocation. Question. What do dolphins like to eat with peanut butter? Answer. Jellyfish. Very funny. Peanut butter and jellyfish. Where do dolphins live? More than 30 different kinds of dolphins live on Earth. Most dolphins swim in the warm ocean waters near the equator, but some live in cooler seas north and south of the equator, and some even live in rivers. Did you guys know that dolphins could live in rivers? I did not. The hourglass dolphin lives way out in the middle of the ocean. The Hector dolphin usually stays close to land. Water words. Equator. The equator is an imaginary line halfway between the north and south poles. What's the difference? Top fin. Well, let's read this part first. Have you ever seen a porpoise? It looks like a dolphin, but it's different. You say it like this, porpoise. The porpoise has a top fin usually shaped like a triangle, a rounded snout, and its teeth are rounded. Dolphin. A dolphin's body is longer and leaner than a porpoise's body. Dolphins are more curious and playful too. Dolphins have a pointed snout instead of a rounded snout, and a top fin usually hooked or curved. Do you guys see the difference between this fin here and a porpoise fin over here that's shaped like a triangle? Dolphins also have teeth that are pointed. Have you ever seen a dolphin with a long, pointy snout? This funny looking mammal is a river dolphin. There's the river dolphins that we're learning about, with a long, thin snout, poor eyesight, and slow swimmers that rarely jump. This is an ocean dolphin. An ocean dolphin has good eyesight, a short snout, and they're fast swimmers that often jump. River dolphins are smaller than their ocean swimming cousins. They are also less active and playful. Super dolphins. Super spinner. A spinner dolphin twirls through the air like a spiraling football. It can jump almost 10 feet into the air and spin up to 7 times. Here's an easy breather. A dolphin spends most of its life holding its breath. A rhesus dolphin can go for 30 minutes without coming up for air. And down here we have the deepest divers. Whales and dolphins are very closely related. In fact, some animals we call whales really are dolphins. The long-finned pilot whale is a dolphin that can dive almost 2,000 feet. Ready for a question? What is a spinner dolphin's favorite amusement park ride? The super spinner. What's his favorite amusement park ride? Any guesses? Answer. The merry-go-round. They're pretty silly. Excuse me. The most amazing dolphin of all is the orca, also known as the killer whale. The orca wins almost every record-setting award in the dolphin category. Fastest. A killer whale can swim 7 times faster than an Olympic swimmer. Longest living. A killer whale can live up to 90 years. Biggest. Males can grow almost as long as a school bus. And hungriest. An orca eats everything from sea turtles and penguins to seals and sharks. Goofing off. Dolphins spend a lot of time hunting for food, and they are always on the lookout for danger. But sometimes dolphins just want to have fun. Dolphins make up all kinds of games. Playing catch, toss seaweed in the air and try and catch it. Surfing, ride along storm waves or waves breaking near a beach. Tag, you're it, chase each other through the water. Oh, dolphins like to play all those games. Ready for our question? Why did the dolphin go to a party? To have a whale of a good time. Dolphins and humans. Excuse me, friends. Dolphins are gentle, playing creatures. Dolphins are gentle, playful creatures. They're also very smart, which is why people and dolphins get along so well. By learning about these friendly marine mammals, humans are helping to protect dolphins and the water that they live in. Here are some pictures. So in the table of contents, they told us that they were going to have a picture glossary. So these are all the different pictures and a small explanation of what the picture is. That is what a picture glossary looks like. So let's take a quick look. Here we have a calf. Does anybody remember what a calf is? A young dolphin. Here we have an imaginary line halfway between the North and South poles. Does anybody remember what that line is called? Equator. Here we have pictures of mammal. A mammal is a warm-blooded animal that drinks its mother's milk, has a backbone and hair. Dolphins are mammals, and so are people. Oxygen, an invisible gas in air and water. It helps animals get energy from food. Here we have a predator. What is a predator, friends? A predator is an animal that eats other animals. And lastly, in our picture glossary, we have prey. So if a predator eats other animals, what is prey? Animals that are eaten by other animals. All right, my friends, we have finished learning about dolphins for today. Thank you for listening, and we will see you soon.